Mr. Ponton, I believe you have a filter turned on in the video settings. You might want to take
We're
a look.
trying to, can you hear me, Judge?
I can hear you. I think it's a filter.
It is, and I don't know how to remove it. I've got my assistant here. She's trying to, but I'm prepared to go forward with it. I'm here live. I'm not a cat.
I can see that. I think if you click the up arrow next to this, we've seen some silly things. Many judges have. You see them all over YouTube. This was just another one of those learning moments for all of us to learn how to turn those things off. I mean, my focus is on fixing whatever's wrong and getting past it. If I react in any way, it could cause the other person to become embarrassed. And that's the last thing I want when they're in here fighting for their clients, is to embarrass them. And as I say, this gentleman handled it very gracefully. It would have been different if I had laughed and mocked him for a simple mistake that could happen to any one of us at any time with our children on our computers. So, we've been in the same work areas for 20 plus years. And so I know him very well. He's had many, many virtual hearings. So I know it wasn't a lack of technological expertise on his part. It was simply that someone had used his computer without his knowledge, and those filters are a new feature, a relatively new Zoom feature. And so he didn't even know it existed. He wasn't sure what was happening. But I promise you, he learned it today. I turned off the video just because I didn't want to show anything beyond that moment. But when I walked him through how to turn it off, and it was down in probably 20 seconds or so after that point, once he knew where to look. These things aren't unexpected. It's just part of this chapter of our lives that everyone seems really interested in knowing about. But I'm really proud of the lawyers for their professionalism and their dignity in the way they handle these situations when they come up.